Hello everyone, welcome to AB's Tech Time. In this video, I am going to show you how to display symbology based on different attributes contained in the attribute table of your ArcGIS project. I already created points, line, and polygon shapefiles from my previous video. I'm going to use that project to display the symbology for various datasets based on their attributes. So let's get started. Let's try to open the previous project. It was saved as GIS data. Here we go. So it's actually a georeference drone image for which we have the reservoir houses as well as parks being digitized. So let's first of all switch off other layers like the line and the point. Also switch off the drone imagery. So we are only remain with the polygon that comprises different feature data sets. If we open the attribute table, we will notice that the feature type range from reservoir, treatment area, houses down to parks. So we're going to give the symbols based on the feature type. To do this, we right click on the polygon and click on properties. We then click on symbology, it's already there. So if we observe, we can see features as only be designated using single symbol. So we click on categories. The categories can be varied based on the feature type. Then we click on add all values. Items listed in the feature type will now have different color range. We don't need all other values. We click on OK. We will notice that the different colors have been listed in the attribute table here. So if we look, we have something like a purple on park, light green on houses, light blue on treatment area and reservoir. So if we also want to display the names of these items, we can click on properties. We click on labels. Let's check in label features in this layer. And we want the label names to be extracted from feature type. We click on OK. So if we try to zoom in, we will notice that these are houses. Then we have only a reservoir, then a treatment area, as well as parks around. We can similarly represent attributes created in lines. Let's switch off the polygon and activate the line. If we open the attribute table for the line, it's only on major road as well as minor road. So let's now give different colors to represent major and minor roads. We follow the same process by right clicking on line, go to properties, we go to symbology, categories. We want to categorize the symbols based on names, add all values. We can manually edit the symbols here by double clicking on the major. Let's click on this for major. Then for the minor, we click on this for minor. Then we click on OK. The same can also be done for points. Let's first of all view the attributes table for the points. It ranges from pole, tree, pole, tree. Oh, it's just pole and tree. So we right click and click on properties, click on symbology, categories. We want it to be obtained from names. The process is actually sensitive for both capital and small letter. So we need to be consistent in naming these attributes. So what we can do, we open the attributes table, click on OK. We need to edit, start editing. We need to be consistent in the naming. If it's pole, it should be capitalized and the tree should be capitalized. Pole, Then we stop editing and save. Yeah, then we repeat the same process. Properties, symbology, categories, name, adult values. Oh yeah. So we now have different symbol for pole and for tree. So let's further edit the symbol for pole. Let's leave the pole to have this and reduce the size to 15. Let's also edit for tree. Use the same, but in this case, 15. Oh, let's do the reverse. So for pole, let's have the symbol in red, and for tree, let's have the symbol in green. Yeah, then we click on OK. We now have different symbols to represent pole and tree. Pole, tree. Pole, tree. Not poultry, but it's pole, tree. We can also switch on the polygon for reservoir, treatment area, house, and pack. So they all have different colors to represent each attribute. Thanks for listening and for watching this video. You can like and make your comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe for subsequent videos. See you in another tutorial.